Hey guys, welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. We got some strobe lights to install for a customer, and we're gonna get cleaning some snow first because it snowed last night, so I gotta plow the shop and do a couple random stuff meanwhile. Nice. There's not a whole lot to plow, but try to make it as clean as I can, I guess. It didn't snow too much at least, so it'll be quick. As I'm waiting for the customer to come drop off his truck so I can do the strobe lights, I'm gonna take these stairs apart. They're folding stairs, they worked. They were kind of sketchy, so I double hinged it, and then the wood just cracked right here, so I gotta redo them all. But I'll do that when I get a chance. For now, I'm just gonna take them apart. We plan, after getting these stairs finally done, move those two couches up here. Obviously I got some cleaning to do up here. Finish that fence or railing, whatever you want to call it, all the way here. Make it a chill spot. So then we get the most room down there to work on stuff. People want to hang out, they can come hang out up here. The main reason to make this foldable is just to get the most width out of the shop. And that way the stairs don't stay open like that, and then stuff starts getting piled underneath the stairs, like has been happening since they don't open and close. Well, actually right now they do open and close, but it's just a pain because there's stuff broken on it. So just gonna buy all new wood, redo it, take my time, and hopefully don't have to deal with this again. And then if I ever get a chance, I got this snap-on cabinet. I gotta clean it up and set it all up still. But for now, everything can pile on top and call it a day. I just did a quick parts run. Had to go buy some T20 bits because it seems like all the ones I have in my little Milwaukee cases are broken. And all those screws over there are T20 bits, which suck. And I bought the power outlet so I can set that up later. I don't know. We'll see how motivated I get. But let's get taking this thing apart. All right, the truck I was doing the strobes on came in right here. We got 8 strobe lights to put on, so we're gonna do 2 strobe lights in the grill, 4 on the steps. Well, 1 there, 2 on the other side, and 2 back here. We got the front 2 grill lights mounted up. We routed them as high as possible just because that way when he has the plow on it, it doesn't reflect off the plow. Now we're going to do it on the side steps and then the back. The back's probably going to be the most complicated. Now that I got both strobe lights on both sides of the running boards, I have to work on the back. He wants it like in the middle of this right here on the bottom. So I'm making some brackets right now.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. just surprised it's you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
While I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I'm running the controller wire into the cab. I have chicken wire running through the grommet back there. There was already wires there, so they already opened that up for me, thankfully. So I just wrapped it around the wire I need to run through, and I'm just gonna pull it from inside the cab. Alrighty, I just wrapped up all. That's where I ran the switch. They're extremely bright. Ran all the wiring under the hood already. Just gotta close the hood, but that's it. Extremely bright. They got a bunch of modes. The shop is pitch black right now. That's all this light is exactly from the strobe lights. Alrighty, that'll be it for this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. It's gonna be a lot of content with this truck this year coming up. The whole build on this truck, and then with the LBZ and all that stuff and all the boys' trucks. So catch you next time. Peace.